Key Stage 3, the focus is on moving oneself towards gaining a level of mastery in the area of choice. The mind that is being honed is the disciplinary mind. While this has great importance, the other minds such as synthesizing, creating, ethical and respectful are also of great value and need to be nurtured to develop a more well-rounded approach to one's learning and life. The Learning Hub is an opportunity to showcase how each of these minds need to collaborate to create experiences that go beyond just the text.
And the aim was to, at the end of the 2 days, to do a kind of a language of learning, a presentation to showcase the understanding that we have about these topics and these objects. So basically we should be able to connect between different areas of study.
Our group got the words. We had energy, economics, cinematic, Western music.
In the languages of learning, we are using the idea of drama, AIR card and a questionnaire. The first we are going to start with a group activity which will be a music activity, and when we'll start the music they'll automatically stop, and we are going to use this idea of how music helps people unite together and build concentration at the end.
Okay, the understanding goal, I'm going to read it out, okay? Every action or idea must have accuracy and fluidity in equal measure for it to be contagious and have an equal and opposite reaction.
So basically what we are trying to do is showcasing a dartboard which is fluid.
I laugh at their bitterness. I laugh at them coffee-headed monsters. Don't they get how gastro-effective I am?
The literature, geometry, fusion music and the Chakte video.
So your frame becomes, your painted part becomes this much. So this one is not painted, this one is not painted, only this much is painted.
Commentary itself is angles and looking at people in different ways.
So you want to say that at which angle if I look at it,
Yes.
so can I build the painting in such a manner that there are different angles that are, if I stand at different angles, I see different parts of the person. So when I go to this angle and I'm looking at you, what do I get to know about you?
The blue or color.
Something. So when I complete the 360, I see the full.
Yeah.
I see the whole person.
We have cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick is a bark of a cinnamon tree. This is the cinnamon tree we have here. We'll be using analogy of a small scale business and comparing it with the tree. So we are using music as a motivation factor, like non-financial rewards, like your health insurances, which will help the employees to work better and the tree will grow stronger.
If you consider this dart to be a sentence or a message you are trying to pass on. Now if I have a weak communication, which is I just touch it, the ripples spread too slowly and hardly any of these are moving because of that, impacted because of it. Now if the same thing is something like what Amir Khan said, and he had a strong impact. So if you push it out, all of them start moving and they are impacted by it.
In his silence screams the brightest color you can imagine. He may be quiet, but his smile is loud, and that's for sure.
90 degrees and you think you know me? 180 degrees is so much more to see.
If I asked you to remember which was the one that made the biggest impact, which was making there? What is leaving you with the, that was a cool way to look at it.
Aryaman slam poetry thing stood out the most. Ninad explaining the business challenge.
One more group I'd like to mention is Hardik's group. And they have given us the whole, I would say the PH scale, then they have given a stop motion film.
Then group 2 was Radha Sami group, zoology, coaching, paprika and matchstick. They had that wonderful poem with the Priya. We thought that was beautiful. We only felt zoology was the weaker, but we thought this was a strong performance.
And the second one was also strong.
Group 2, Group 3, Group 4 and Group 8. So we've got your
We have the Da Vinci Prize, and that goes to group number 8.
These things are not really
that separate as we think they are. They are actually together, but we just don't see it in that way. So this allows us to see it this way.